Hi witches! So it is very early on a Sunday morning and I am drinking some coffee and my final Sabbath box for the year came in the mail today, and it's really just hitting me right now that 2021 is almost over and I am just, I'm thankful for everything. It's sad that this is the last Sabbath box. Remember how excited I was with the first one, but I'm sure that there will be many more, so I shouldn't be so sad. Anyways, I just wanted to unbox this for you. If you guys don't know, I've been on the Witch Wednesdays podcast, and that was all this year. It was an amazing opportunity, an amazing experience. I've loved being on it every single time, and I think they have really great information, really great guests. So definitely, if you want to check those out, my gosh, I'm losing my voice. Great. I've linked the episodes that I was on down below, so there's that. Now, as always, they start off with like what is in the box, which is really nice, and I've kept all of these. They have a card about the Sabbath, a recipe card, a ritual card. It looks like there is a bunch of really good stuff in here, so I'm not going to read it out per usual, and then we'll just go through it. So the first thing we have are the cards. And this is just like about the holiday. This is a ritual, which is really cool, and then a recipe for a chocolate Yule log, which is amazing. I've made Yule cakes before, and they are really difficult for me because I have to like roll the cake up, and I'm always just like my hands are too shaky. But they are really fun to make, and I've made them a couple times. Like I made one last year and the year before, and they're really good. So definitely recommend. But yes, so I have all of these. I'm really sad. One of them, I had a window that was like cracked a little bit, and we had like a couple months ago there was like a really, really bad rainstorm. There was like a hurricane moving through or something, and like rain got inside the window because I live in a really old house and they're not sealed. So some of them are a little bit smudged, but I'm going to be like incorporating them all into my Book of Shadows, and I'm very excited. Okay, sorry, I did have to read this for a second. So the first thing I got was this like tumbled stone mix, and this is apparently for, I think the witch ball. So it looks like, oh, it's smart, okay. Like this, oh, that's the worst sound I've ever heard. This like clicks together and you put a bunch of stuff in here. So one of the things that comes with that is a gemstone mix for the many areas in life: love, health, prosperity, protection, purification, balance, anti-anxiety, and happiness. And then they said try to determine which ones are in your kit. So it looks like there is some lapis, some carnelian, definitely some rose quartz. I don't know if you guys can see that. Some regular quartz, just like a looks like some tiger's eye. Just, you know, like your standard typical crystals. This is really cool. I like the packaging. Okay, this looks like I got a bunch of bay leaves for protection, or not for protection, oh my gosh, for purification and wishing. So I got a little packet of bay leaves, which is cool. Then I got this little pouch, which is, I think, also part of it. Yes, okay, so there is a cinnamon stick and some twine. And this looks like it is the tumbled crystal. This is sodalite, which is cool, and that is for calmness. It's like this really nice, like deep blue, almost black color. And it is associated with calmness, emotional balance, enhances self-esteem and intuition. It's associated with clarity of thought and communication, so it can also be placed into your witch ball to aid in clearly communicating your 2022 intentions. I like that. So some sodalite, and then some twine to hang up the little ornament. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's so much good stuff in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, they also gave me a little pentacle charm, which is cool. It reminds me of my necklace as well. It's just like kind of that simple like little charm thing. So this goes with the ornament thing. I might actually put this on like a jacket or something as a zipper pull, but we shall see. I just really like it. I think that's neat. Okay, so moving right along, we got all of the supplies for making our little ornaments. They also gave me another little bag. I like that the bags are green because I might do some prosperity magic. So yeah, they sent me two spell cards. Okay, cool. Let's see, this one is a self-blessing. So there is like this on one side. And then there is like the instructions on the other one. And it looks like it's like a charm bag of some kind. So that's really cool. And then this is a candle centering meditation spell. This is like an altar spell. I really like the way that all of these look. They're really cool. They were doing like tarot pulls for a little bit, and I have all of those cards as well, but these are going to be going into my my Book of Shadows. I think I'm going to like poke a little hole in the top and put some twine in, and then like tape the twine into my book with washi tape, so that way I can just kind of like turn it like one way or another and have it up or down, because I do like the art on the other side. So that is what I will be doing with those. So yeah, some like spell cards, love it. They also gave me, I'm so excited for this actually, for the other thing, but I have a blue chime candle, and that is part of the spell that they gave us. And let's see. So blue is one of the colors that is associated with Yule. If you think about like snow and like just like that time of year, blue is kind of like a predominant color when you're not thinking about like Christmas or anything, which is the red and the green. So Yule is really, for me, like I feel like the colors are like blue and yellow and white. So it's kind of like, I don't know, it's cool because it's like those are also kind of the colors I associate with Ostara, which is like the holiday, or excuse me, with Imbolc, which is the holiday right after it. So yeah. Anyways, they gave me a little tiny keychain with a Book of Shadows on it, and I think that's super duper cute. Obviously, I'm probably not, well, I might write in it. I could write little like sigils and like tear out the pages and leave them places if I need to. So this is actually really handy dandy. I think it's really cute. I like that it has the triple moon on it. Can you see that? I know I just covered it. I've always loved that symbol. I have it tattooed on the back of my neck. So I just really like it. Yes. Cool stuff. Okay, the next thing I got is a cinnamon apple essential oil. And this looks like it can be used within the witch ball as well if you put it on the cinnamon stick or just to have. So I'm thinking about getting like an oil warmer and maybe just like having this in the house. But regardless, I will be keeping this for my own collection. I like this kind of stuff. I want to get more into like my own infused oils and essential oils and stuff, and like whole plant medicine. So yeah. Okay. Oh, it looks like they gave me another piece of soda light. Okay, cool. Awesome. I love that. Neat. Ha ha ha. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, so the next thing they gave me was a pine bundle, and I'm actually going to be making some of these as well from some pine needles that I gathered during Thanksgiving when I was with my family. So I loved this. This is probably going to be used for cleansing my space during Yule. So I will be using this to cleanse my house for Yule, and I'm very excited about that. It smells great. I love the smell of pine anyways, but it really just gets me into like kind of that holiday season. It makes the holidays a little bit better for me, just because I do kind of struggle sometimes during the holiday season, especially just like with everything. Triggers abound, it's fine. But I digress. The final thing that I got, and this is like honestly the thing I was the most excited about when I saw the box, because like I always like, when you purchase it, you kind of have to see what's in it, but I try like my best not to read up on it too much. They gave us a 2022 astrological pocket planner. Now, of course, being a Virgo, this is my favorite thing, but like I'm just stoked. I love planners. The inside looks similar to the other one that is published by Llewellyn. Okay, this is also published by Llewellyn, so that makes sense. But I have like the Witch's Guide, so that has more of like the holidays and folk magic, and they have like a bunch of different things. Do I have it anywhere that I could show you? No, I do not. I don't know where I put it, but I do have this, and I'm very excited about it. Because I do want to like start to learn a little bit more about astrology, but also like it's very intimidating. So I feel like having this and working through this for the next year is going to be awesome. So yes, that is my little haul. Oh my gosh, it's like the last one. But to be honest, this is like the best Christmas present, Yule present that I could have asked for. And I'm really excited and really happy, and it'll be cool to put all of this stuff into my practice and see what they do next year for some of their Sabbath boxes, because I might continue to get them. I don't know. I've enjoyed all of them so far. So yes, it's our final one. Oh my gosh. I'm sure I'm going to be saying that a lot in the next couple videos, but yeah, that's our final unboxing. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.